Hey guys, wanna know how to use the Legend Pass or the Unite Pass currently in Asphalt 9 Legends? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, in order to get towards the Unite Pass, on the bottom left you can see this Unite Pass icon right here. Simply click on it. Now, here you can also have some free rewards as well as buy Unite Pass for more exclusive rewards. So is it worth it? Maybe. You can also get some free rewards just without buying the Unite Pass. But if you want to buy it, you can just simply get it, where you can get exclusive rewards like C-Class cars, K-Class cars and so much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So in order to get rewards, what you can do is just simply play. Just simply go to career mode and play. Level up and then you will go unlocking free rewards. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.